Good morning and namaste, children. How are you all? I hope you're fine. Stay home, stay safe. Here in the last session, we have explained you about rounding numbers. In this session, we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, that is Roman numerals. Children, welcome to this virtual e-learning session. Let us start this session with a good quote. That is, your best teacher is your last mistake. It means that whenever you do a mistake, you come to know that you did wrong. So don't repeat that mistake. Hence, your last mistake is your best teacher. Children, the topic we are going to discuss about is Roman numerals. Children, here we are going to discuss about the topic. The numbers that we are using today are called Hindu-Arabic numbers, whereas the numbers used by the Romans in the ancient times are called Roman numerals, which we are going to learn today. And I am sharing you with an activity and worksheet to be done at home. Children, let us know more about Romans. The Romans, who lived about 2000 years ago, had built their empire in the city of Rome, in what is the modern Italy today. Children, do you know Romans used 7 letters of English alphabet in the place of numbers for writing large numbers, counting money, etc. Children, as we discussed earlier how Romans used the 7 letters of English alphabets, now we are going to learn about their values also. So here the value of capital I is 1. The value of capital V is taken as 5. The value of capital X is 10 and the value of capital L is taken as 50. Children, let us discuss 3 more Roman numerals with their values. Here, the value of capital C is 100. The value of capital D is taken as 500 and the value of capital M is taken as 1000. Children, always remember to write the Roman numerals in capital letters. Children, where can you find the Roman numerals actually? Yes, we can find them on clocks, buildings, etc. Here I am going to share the pictures of a clock and an old building with Roman numerals. Here is the picture of a clock with Roman numerals, that is from 1 to 12. And even the picture of an old building with Roman numerals. We can even find the Roman numerals on old coins and after the names of kings and queens. In this picture, you can find the Roman numerals on coins. And in this picture, you can see the kings are named with Roman numerals after their names. In order to write the Roman numerals, we need to learn some rules, children. Rule 1. Repetition of a numeral means addition. Important note, children. Here, a numeral cannot be repeated more than 3 times while writing the Roman numerals. And even you have to learn that V, L and D cannot be repeated while writing Roman numerals. For understanding rule 1 even better, we shall discuss some examples. Here, in the example 1, we can see that the Roman numeral I is repeated 3 times. According to the rule 1, repetition of a numeral means what, children? We need to do addition. As we know, the value of capital I is 1. We need to add the value also 3 times. That is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So, the Hindu Arabic number for the given Roman numeral is 3. In the second example, x is repeated 3 times. So, we need to do addition once again. As we know, the value of capital X is 10. Here, 10 is also written 3 times. That is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Children, here we are learning to write the Hindu Arabic number for the given Roman numeral. Here is the rule 2 for writing Roman numerals. That is, when a smaller symbol is placed before a larger symbol, it is subtracted. Let us discuss few examples where rule 2 is applied. Here in the example 1, you can see that the smaller symbol I is placed before the larger symbol V. So, we need to subtract them according to rule 2. In order to subtract, we need to write the value of larger symbol first. It means we need to write 5 minus 1. We get 4. In the second example, we see that the smaller symbol I is placed before the larger symbol X. So what we need to do, children? We need to subtract in order to find the Hindu Arabic numeral. First, we need to write the value of larger symbol in order to subtract. That is equal to 10 minus 1. We get 9. Children, let us learn rule 3. When a smaller symbol is placed after a larger symbol, it is added. Let us discuss few examples where rule 3 is applied. Here, in the rule 1, the smaller symbol I is placed after the larger symbol. So, it means we need to add them. As we know, the value of capital V is 5 and the value of capital I is 1. After adding them, we get 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. In the second example also, we can see that the smaller symbol I is placed after the larger symbol X. So, what do you need to do, children? We need to add them. The value of capital X is 10 and the value of capital I is 1 according to the given chart. So, after adding them, we get 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So, the Hindu Arabic number for the given Roman numeral is 11. Here we are learning rule 4. That is, for expressing numbers greater than 10, the number must be expanded in the terms of tens and ones. Let us discuss few examples where rule 4 is applied. In order to write the Roman numerals, we need to expand the number in the terms of tens and ones. So the number 16 can be expanded as 10 plus 5 plus 1. Now write their symbols. The symbol for 10 is X, the symbol for 5 is V, and the symbol for 1 is capital I. So the Roman numeral for 16 can be written as XVI. Here in the second example, even 25 can be expanded in the terms of tens and ones. So we expand the number as 10 plus 10 plus 5. Now write their symbols. The symbol for 10 is X, and the symbol for one more 10 also is X, and the symbol for 5 is V. So the Roman numeral for 25 can be written as XXV. One more example, children. Here 34 is expanded as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. Now write their symbols. Here 10 is added 3 times, so we need to write the symbol also 3 times. That is equal to XXX plus IV, whereas 4 can be written as IV. Children, I hope you understood how to expand the number and write the Roman numeral for it. Let us learn the values of Roman numerals 1 to 12. The value of capital I is 1. The value of capital II is 2. The value of capital III is 3. The value of capital IV is 4. Here the value of capital V is 5. The value of capital VI is 6. The value of capital VII can be written as 7. The value of capital VIII is 8. The value of capital IX is 9. And what is the value of capital X, children? Yes, it is 10. And the value of capital XI is 11. And the last, the value of capital XII is 12. Remember, children, with the help of these Roman numerals, we can write the large numbers. Children, your friend Chris want to share about a game with you. Can you guess what is the game? Yes, it is a hopscotch game. Here, the four friends are playing the game, and the small girl is hopping with one leg, counting the numbers written in the square boxes. Here, the children are learning numbers while playing. In the same way, you can also memorize the Roman numerals from 1 to 10 by playing the hopscotch game shared on the screen. Children, will you play this game at home with your brothers, sisters, and cousins? Yes? Let us discuss few examples from your textbook exercises. Here we need to write the Roman numeral for 38. In order to write the numeral, we have to expand the number according to rule 4 as explained. So 38 can be expanded as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 3. Children, now we need to write their symbols. That is, 10 is added 3 times here. So we write X 3 times. Then write the symbol for 5, that is capital V. And write the symbol for 3, that is I. So the Roman numeral for 38 can be written as X, 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 V, I. Here we are going to discuss how to write the Hindu Arabic number for the given Roman numeral X, I, X. Children, if you observe carefully, we find X is written first. Then the smaller symbol I is placed before the larger symbol X. It means we need to subtract 1 from 10. Write the value of X as 10 first. Then subtract 10 minus 1 according to rule 2 discussed earlier. So after adding them, we get 10 plus 9, that is equal to 19. So the Hindu Arabic number for the given Roman numeral is 19. Children, I hope you will enjoy by doing this activity. Here you need to describe yourself in Roman numerals by filling this fill-ups given. My date of birth is dash. I study in dash class. I am dash years old. Okay, children, complete it in your notebook. Children, I hope you enjoyed the video today. Yes. Now be the first one to finish your activity and your worksheet in your notebook. Thank you, children.